Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be making a bubu gown, or as some people might call it, an agbada gown. So please stay comfortable and watch till the end. Now to begin the process, I folded my fabric into two from the side. This is the full length of the gown. Now I'm placing my tape like this to mark the middle of the fabric. And I'm going to continue this process till I get to the down. Now that I'm done marking the middle, I will fold my fabric into two, then start taking my measurements. First, the length of the neck, which is 5. Then the width, which is 3.5. Then the depth of the back neck, which is 2.5. Now I'm going to mark out the half length, which is 16. From the half length, I'm taking my hip line, which is 8.5. Now my hip size measurements and waist size. Next, I'm taking my armhole, which is 10. And now I'm sketching all the marked points. The hip is bigger, so the bust and the hip size are going to be the same measurements. If the bust is bigger, then the bust and the hip are going to be the same measurements. Slant the shoulder like this. Now from the hip to the down, form a small A shape to make the gown free for movement. Now this is the markings. I'm going to do the same marking process on the other half side. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Please like the video, share it, and feel free to comment. remember I folded my fabric into two in the beginning. So that's what I'm cutting now. Now I'm cutting the neck. Firstly the back neck before cutting the front neck. Now I will sew through the line. But before I sew through the line, join the shoulder. This is the shoulder. And now I'm going to turn to the front before sewing the two sides. Please, I took my markings from the back because the fabric is light and I can see through it. If you are using any other fabric like Ankara or velvet, take your markings from the front because you are going to sew through your markings. Now after sewing the shoulder, sew the sides. This 1-inch fabric is for the turning of the neck. Also fold it down, and that is all. Thanks for watching to this point. This is how you make this boubou gown. This is how you make this boubou gown dress. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.